Hello friends, verification is a necessary process on Bitget for you to be able to access so many features on this exchange. Without being verified or without doing your KYC, there are some features you will be limited to, so others you cannot access until you do your KYC or verification. So in this video, I am going to show you how you can easily verify your Bitget account with either your NIN or your BVN. So you have to watch this video till the end so that you get all the necessary processes and apply it at your end to successfully verify your Bitget account. So if you're a returning visitor, you're highly welcome back to my channel. And if this is your first time, my name is Kalisu Sonyeuchi and I make videos on tech and how to make money on the internet. And please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe because I have a lot of amazing updates to share with you guys. Click the bell icon to enable notifications so that when I upload a video, you'll be notified immediately. Share this video with your friends and then drop your comments or questions in the comment section if you have any. Let us continue with the process. Friends, for you to think of verifying your account, it means you have already created a Bitget account. But if you have not created a Bitget account, I have dropped the video on how to create a Bitget account easily without any stress in the description section of this video. You can click on the video to watch the processes involved in creating a Bitget account. And after creating your account, now we proceed to the next steps. And after creating your account, you come back to your app and open your app, and you'll be brought to this interface where you have an option to verify your account. But then if you cannot see this option here, you can easily click on this menu button by the top left hand side of this app, all right, to unveil the hidden features here. So friends, when you are brought to this interface, you can click on this profile, all right, to unveil the hidden features here. You can scroll down a bit and then click on identity verification, as you can see here. Okay, all right, now we have to click on verify. All right, so here you're going to select your country of residence. Now I'm currently in Nigeria, so Nigeria has been selected automatically, and my ID type, if you click on this ID type, you will see different options. But then for Nigerians here, we have BVN/NIN. Okay, so now we click on continue. So at this point, if you are not currently residing in the United States of America, you have to click on all countries except USA. Okay, and then you click on continue. All right, so now here are the processes involved in doing the KYC, non-doc verification and then selfie. So we have to click on continue. Okay, so at this point we are expected to choose either BVN or NIN as the method. So here I'm going to choose NIN. That's what I want to do. Okay, now I'll be required to type in my NIN here. It's just as simple as that. So I'm going to type in my NIN. Okay, so friends, after typing in your NIN or BVN as the case may be, you click on the continue button to get to the next step. So at this point, we are required to do a facial verification. So you follow in the instructions on the screen and complete your facial verification. So guys, after the facial verification, now you're going to see that your identity verification is under review. So you have to give it some minutes. As you can see on the screen, it's verified. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe. Share this video with your friends. Click on the bell icon to enable notification. Drop your comments or questions in the comment section. And see you guys in my next video.